What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a pattern into Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to our Canva, find the design size that you wish, okay? You can use a custom size, you can use some pre-built design. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over apps, okay? Click on apps and into the search box type pattern, just like this, and click on OK. We're gonna choose this one with these 4 little squares, the tail to pattern, this guy right here. You're gonna need to choose a file. You need to have the file uploaded on your computer, okay? I'm gonna use this car file. And I can create the pattern that I wish. For example, this one, or maybe this one, just like this. I can change the zoom level of the pattern. I can change the horizontal position of the pattern, the vertical position of the pattern. I can use full page or customize the size, and after having the design in the way that I want, I can click on Add Design, and here is my pattern. It's very good in the case that you have some graphic needs, and very useful. Of course, you can delete the image, upload a new one, and start a new pattern, okay? Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.